Need to visit a Bank of America branch but don't know when it's open? You don't have to call or guess. Today, I'm showing you the fastest way to find accurate, up-to-date branch hours. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The most reliable information is always found digitally, and Bank of America makes it very easy to access. The best method is to use the mobile app. Open it up and tap the Locations feature near you. It will show a list of nearby branches with their current day's hours, including any special holiday schedules. No app, no problem. You can also do a quick Google search for Bank of America near me. The search results will typically pull the hours directly from BoA's database and show them right there. And that leads to my crucial pro tip. Always check for lobby hours and drive-through hours separately. They are often different, especially on weekends. The app will always show this distinction, so you don't show up when the lobby is closed. Just like that, you can plan your errand with confidence and save yourself a wasted trip. Do you prefer using the app or a quick web search to find hours? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.